Okay, this is something I always have to remind myself to do because sometimes I forget about it. Sometimes you're working on different parts of the document and you're scrolling up and down. There's a way to get around that, and that's to go up to View and Split Screen, and then you've got things you can work on. Let's say, for instance, I've got some notes down here at the bottom that I'm trying to work on these down here, but I'm pulling the information from up here. This is a real good way to do this. This is also in the document. You're just seeing in this window the top part and seeing the bottom part in here. And you could move this a little bit if you need more space in the top version here, but you can see I can add text up here, fine, and then come down here and add text down here too. So very helpful tool, just something you have to remember. Almost forgot. When you've got your screen like that, you can hit remove split to take away the split.